Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Raphael from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw eye mask. Draw eye mask tie. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw a circle below head for body shape. Draw a vertical line to mark center. Detail the body. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw stick lines for leg position. Detail the body. Draw thigh. Draw thigh. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw knee guard. Draw knee guard. Draw shell. Draw shell. Draw stick lines for hand position. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw twin-size sword handle. Draw twin-size sword. Draw twin-size sword. Draw belt. Detail the belt. Erase the guidelines. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.